Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Bridget Lepore, but you can call me Dr. L, and I am so glad that you're in this class. You know, the choice to come to college is a big one. I know that I didn't undertake it lightly, and I know that you aren't either. There's many roads that bring us to college. Sometimes it's about, change and building a new life. Sometimes it's building new skills so that we can have the career that we're looking for. Sometimes it's because we just feel this push to have a degree, to complete our studies. But the one thing I know is that everybody comes to college to be a better version of themselves. And your instructors feel exactly the same way. I've been teaching college now for about 20 years. I started off teaching technology. I had been a trainer working in the New York City area with different companies and found myself working in higher education, managing training. Soon enough, I found myself in the classroom, and I have now spent my career bouncing back and forth between companies and the classroom. And I can't say enough how much I've truly had a phenomenal career and how much I look forward to what I do every single day. My job here is to support you. I am here to help you, to be present, and to be your sounding board, especially as you start this journey here at UMGC. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me at any time that you need me, even if you just have a question or need to connect with somebody. Or maybe you're trying to puzzle through a problem. I can help you find the right people at the right time, even if I'm not the right person in that moment. So I am truly glad that you're in this class, and I am available when you need me. So let's get started.